Here at the IRE 2025 in San Antonio, here at the RoofIVent booth. Just want to show you the full line of vents that they have out here. So what I'm going to show you here is the roto. There's no internal gut motor. You got the fan blowing back here, moderate wind. At 9 miles an hour, you're going to get about 135 CFMs out of this thing. So I actually install these on my clients' roofs up in Dallas-Fort Worth, and we install about 4 to 5 of these per house. And so this can be used, this active vent can be used for an attic application, or it can be used for a bathroom application. Obviously, you can have this pipe that connects in with a flex hose. This can also be used, this eco can be used for a bathroom vent as well. And then we have essentially the same thing as your slant back 750, which is a non-active static vent, right? And so I have torture tested these. I have a hail cannon that I've blown through these things, and they're really resilient. A couple good things about this is the internal bearing. So on a standard conventional turbine, the bearing is at the very top, which ultimately leaves it susceptible to dirt, dust, debris getting in, clogging it up, slowing it down. And as soon as you stop a turbine, wind directional rain can get in and create water inside. Here we have an internal sealed bearing that is basically at the top of the flange. It is completely encapsulated in oil, so it's not subject to that same sort of deterioration. Secondly, if a tree limb falls off the roof or falls off the tree, hits the roof, and damages these fins, they slide right back in. Back in business, no problem. So polypropylene design, we even in colder weather, we don't really have to worry about that in Texas, except for, we did have a cold snap, but in colder weather, the inside condensation actually has a weep hole where it can exhaust, so it doesn't exhaust into the attic space itself. They also have plumbing vents. They have wall-mounted units similar to this on the other side that can go to like vent hoods, dryer vents, things like that. And really, ultimately, it's a really great alternative to the standard turbines and whatnot. We have a 50-year warranty, material warranty on shingles application, 60-year if you apply it to a metal roof. And another thing, while I have you on metal roof, is very unique to this type of vent is you can actually plunge cut this into an existing roof. So you get up on a roof, and it's old, it doesn't need to be replaced, but it's underventilated, probably the reason why it's got some deterioration. You can actually plunge cut with a jigsaw in here, do it, and this right here, this butyl, which actually comes with it, you peel that back, that water in there, on that mod bit, has been sitting in there. That water has been sitting in there for an hour and a half without leaking. Almost 2 hours now. So the molded bases can actually go over standard R panel. This is a lower profile rib than normal, but you can go right over the rib. That way you're not trying to stretch the base material, or you can go center of the pan. Again, that butyl bleeds out once you get those screws in there, and ultimately it's a secure fit. So that's really it on the
Where
RoofIVent,
can one find these vents?
So they can be purchased at ABC Supply. You can buy them direct from RoofIVent, but you can also get them from ABC Supply. You're looking at about $135 a piece for the rotos, $85 for the ecos, and about $35 for the slam back.